Type and size?
These three right here?
Yeah, all four of these. So the females are smaller. They're gonna have that coloration as it gets closer to the head. See that orangish color?
Mm-hmm.
And then that rear end is actually got a point. So the females have stingers, the boys don't. So the boys would be about twice the size, fat, big eyes, and then their butts are rounded. So they only need boys to reproduce. So just about everything you've ever seen is a girl.
Okay.
There were a couple boys over there, and then that larva that I pulled up, those sheets that I pulled out that I showed you where they were really big, cells that came out.
Yeah.
Those are drone pods. So.
And only the queen can reproduce?
Yeah.
None of the other females can?
None of the other females can reproduce. If the queen dies unexpectedly, the other females can actually create a worker queen out of cell that's been, or a larva that was laid within a day. It's called a supersedure, and a worker queen works as a queen, but she's kind of messed up. Like, it's not efficient. She'll lay more males a lot of times than anything. Sometimes they can be 50-50 male and female, which is, the hive still survives, it still works, but just off. So whenever we run into that, I'll write on the box, tell Dan, and then he can requeen it with a purebred or with a queen that's not a supersedure queen.
Gotcha.
So basically the hive has fail-safes to protect itself so that it survives. They're really smart.
That's incredible.